Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm actually making a regular sit down video today. I have not done that in a really long time. It's been mostly vlogs, but today is not beauty or makeup related. It is baby related. I am 8.5 months pregnant now, so by the time you see this video, I could have already given birth, or I could still be pregnant because it seems to be never ending. But today I'm going to be going over what's in my baby's hospital bag. I will probably do a separate video about what's in my own hospital bag, but I wanted to do one just for baby. So before this intro gets too long, let's just hop right into it. This is the Petunia Pickle Bottom like backpack. It's in the style boxy, but this one is the Mickey 90th anniversary like limited edition one. I really wanted this. It was kind of expensive, but figured it's cute. We're gonna use it for a long time, and then even if I don't use it as a diaper bag, it'll be a good backpack. And I'm gonna have a child, so I feel like having a backpack is always a good idea. We're gonna jump right into it. Like I said, it is a backpack, so you can of course adjust these straps, but you can also unhook them at the bottom and then shove them back here if you do want to use this strap, and then you have it as like a tote situation, like a side, you know, shoulder situation. I'm just gonna keep this in the side pockets. Right now I do not have anything in the side pockets. I also know that I probably overpacked. This is my first child, so I don't know what I will need. I know that my hospital provides pretty much everything that the baby will need. They just say like you can bring cute outfits if you want your baby to be in an outfit other than the one that they provide at the hospital. So anyways, let's just jump right in here. It has a cute Mickey print on the inside, and then this front flap right here, it's a pocket, but it also unzips. So if you're on the go or if you're in the car, this unzips like this, and then this changing pad extends and you can change your baby just like this. Or if you want, you can keep it up and then you can just remove the pad and then change your baby where you want to change your baby. I think it's meant to stay in the bag just because it does have this Velcro on it. In this front pocket that unzips if you want it to, it came with a Petunia Pickle Bottom little travel wipes case. So I do have a little Honest Company wipes in here. It only has 10 wipes, and I know, well, not in the hospital, but I know that out of the hospital we're gonna use more. We're gonna need more than 10 wipes, so I do have a Huggies travel pack in here just in case as well. I actually put all this stuff in here before I started packing it for the hospital just because I was excited and I wanted to fill the bag. So there's two pockets that have kind of, you know, the stretchy situation. That's in one pocket, and in the other pocket it's the, you know, like the doggy bags when you take your dogs for a walk and you need the bags for when they poop or anything. This is a Munchkin brand. This is like little bags for when you're changing your baby on the go and maybe there's no trash can to throw their dirty diaper in. You can put it in here, tie it up, and then keep it with you until you have someplace that you can toss it. And then in that same pocket I have several little newborn diapers. I know that the hospital of course provides diapers, but I just packed it in here because I was excited. Getting into the big pocket is now where you will see my overpacking. Yeah, right on top, because I washed them the most recent, I just kind of shoved them in here. So this is my stuffed animal. Her name is Fifi, but this is the shirt that I was born in, or I was put in right after I was born. It's from the hospital, and I heard that they don't give out these shirts anymore. It's just like a plain white shirt now. I put this shirt on my little stuffed dog, and I wanted to bring her to the hospital with me so I can get some pictures of her and Noah, my son, when he comes. Am I crazy? I don't know. That's just what I wanted. And then he got this as a gift. My son got this as a gift at our shower, so it is so cute and so soft. I wanted to bring it just to take some photos with, because you'll see that this matches pretty much everything I have in here. I have this Pampers little case here. I got it for free. They sent it to me. And then I have just random stuff in here that I probably don't actually need, but it's gonna go in the diaper bag after we leave the hospital anyways, so I just wanted it in here with me. This is the alcohol-free foaming hand sanitizer. This is from Baby Ganix, so I wanted to throw this in here. Then we also have a travel size face and body lotion from the Honest Company, an organic all-purpose balm from the Honest Company, and then I have some Desitin. So I'm actually going to try out all the different brands. So we have Honest Company, I have Desitin, I have A&D, I have Mama Earth. What is it called? Earth Mama. Mama Earth. I have the really popular brands of diaper cream or whatever, so I kind of want to use different ones and see what works best for Noah. So I have all of these in here, and then I have an extra pair of mittens and then an extra pair of socks. I don't know if this is the best compartment to hold them in, but right now it's all in here. And there's room for a ton more stuff if I discover that I do need more things like nose aspirator or thermometer or anything like that. In here, just in the center, like just thrown in there, I have this copper pearl, which I really like this brand. I want to get a ton more stuff, but I discovered this brand after I already bought way too much stuff, so I told myself I was gonna chill on it. It's still on my registry, so if people happen to want to get it for us, then that would be awesome. But if not, and then we find out down the line that we could use a little bit more blankets or whatever, then I'll just buy them myself. But I told myself and I told Tommy that I wasn't gonna purchase any more stuff until Noah gets here and we discover what we really need more of and what we don't. But this is something that we really did need. So this is a car seat cover, super cute, really soft, but it's also like a breastfeeding cover, like it goes over your head. I don't know if we're actually gonna cover the car seat when he leaves the hospital, but I brought this just in case. Next thing that's just sitting right here is this Swaddle blanket. This is Cloud Island from Target. It's super cute. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of washed out, but it's just white swaddle with gray arrows. So it has pockets in the front here and then two on the side. So on one side I have this swaddle blanket. This is from Aiden and Anai. Is it Aiden and Anai or Aiden and Anais? I really don't know. I also don't know if that's actually where this is from. I'm pretty sure it is, but this is the Dumbo print. Again, don't know if you can see that, but it came in a pack of 3 or 4, I believe, and this is one of them, and it's so cute. When people visit him or when he's just in the room or swaddled up or whatever, then we wanted to use our own swaddles because I know that there's also going to be a ton of photos taken. So we have so far 2 swaddles and then I have this one, which has a little bit more color. If you know me, I'm super neutral. I don't like a ton of color. It does have clothes with color on them, but it's more muted, softer colors, not really like bright or any bold colors. So we have this swaddle as well. This is super unnecessary, I am aware, but I just threw them in here just because they're also going to need to be in here later on. But I have 2 bottles in here. So this is the Philips Avent 4-ounce bottle, and then this is the Dr. Brown's 4-ounce bottle, and they're both supposed to be like anti-colic or whatever, so I just threw them in here because I wanted to. Last thing in here is this packing cube. It didn't come with a bag. I bought it on Amazon separately. Before I go through that packing cube, I just wanted to let you know that it does come with stroller straps. It's just these like hooks, and then you hook it to the side of your bag and then hook it to your stroller, so you don't have to carry it while you're strolling around the mall or the market or whatever. And then it does have a zipper here that I don't have anything in, but that's basically what the inside looks like. So you have 2 pockets down here, and then you have a pocket on each side, and then this zipper up here. Let me show you what is in this packing cube. First thing that's in here is this little onesie. It does have little footies on them, and then it also has built-in mittens so he doesn't scratch his face or anything. Newborn baby fingernails are so sharp. And I like this because it's a zipper, so it's going to be super easy to take on and off. These are all newborn sizes. My baby is already measuring a little over 7 pounds, so I know that he's not going to need preemie stuff. I'm most likely going to give birth within the next week or so, and he only is going to grow or gain about 1/4 pound, so newborn stuff should be perfect for him. So I'm only bringing newborn sizes. He has a jacket, super cute little jacket. I brought 2 little, so this is a bandana bib. I don't know if we're gonna even need it or what in the hospital, but I know that we are going to be trying to breastfeed, so we'll see. I don't obviously know how any of that kind of stuff works, so we got this little bandana bib, and then I also have this burp cloth. It is so cute. We do have a matching blanket for it. This is Coco Moon, but we didn't bring the blanket for it. He has this little top. It's a button top, so this will work well with his umbilical cord. That'll be still hanging on there. So we have this top with these matching little footies like this, and then we have this onesie, super cute, and then we also have this sheep long sleeve onesie. I think he's either going to go home in this sheep long sleeve onesie or this cute colorful one, but I'm leaning towards the sheep one because he has matching pants, gray pants, that also has a little sheep in the back. Super freaking cute. And then for the other onesie, I have just regular pants that have little buttons on them. And then for his hands, if they even fit him, because honestly these look kind of big, I have a pair of gray mittens, a pair of white and gray striped mittens. I have these little fox socks, and then these little gray socks I have for him as well if they fit him. And then the last thing in this packing cube is one more blanket. So this is not, I don't think this is a swaddle blanket. This might be called a receiving blanket, but it's just gray with white stripes. This is from Carter's, but it is so soft. Like, I want to sleep with this blanket, but I refrain. So that's all that's in his newborn or his hospital diaper bag. Let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything. Hopefully if this video goes up before I give birth, then I can see it and I can add it to the bag, but I'm sure the hospital is going to have everything that we need basically. If you want, I can do a follow-up video after on what I actually used, what I didn't need, and maybe what I wish I had. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see when I have this baby, if I already had this baby. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Love you.